Welcome to today's video where we're diving into luxury hotel bedrooms. We're showing you how to recreate 5-star experiences at home. You know that feeling when you walk into a hotel room. Everything just feels so perfect, polished, and incredibly welcoming to you. Well, you don't need a massive budget to achieve that look. Let's start with the foundation of any luxury hotel bedroom today. The bed itself is where hotels really invest their money and effort. Hotels always invest in quality mattresses and pillows for guest comfort. But what really makes the difference is how they dress beds. The secret is in the layers, multiple beautiful layers of bedding. Start with a crisp white duvet cover in high-quality fabric. Or choose a high-quality comforter in a neutral calming tone. Hotels rarely use busy patterns on their main bedding at all. They want that clean, sophisticated look that appeals to everyone universally. Add a duvet insert that's plush and full, not flat-looking. This immediately elevates the entire bed and transforms the whole room. Now let's talk about those pillows that hotels use so well. Hotels typically use 4 to 6 pillows per bed for guests. And they're not all the same size or type of pillow. You'll want a mix of sleeping pillows and decorative Euro pillows. The standard arrangement is 2 sleeping pillows at the very back. Then 2 or 3 Euro shams in front of those first pillows. This creates that luxurious stacked look you see in hotel rooms. If you want to go the extra mile, add throw pillows. Add 1 or 2 decorative throw pillows in complementary accent colors. The key is symmetry and abundance without going completely overboard here. The sheets are another crucial element that hotels get absolutely right. Hotels use white or light-colored sheets almost exclusively every time. And there's a good reason for that simple yet effective choice. They look clean, fresh, and universally appealing to all their guests. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on expensive sheets. But do look for smooth, crisp cotton with great weave quality. Look for a sateen or percale weave for that hotel feel. The thread count sweet spot is actually between 300–500. Anything higher can actually feel less breathable and less comfortable overall. Make sure your sheets are always freshly pressed or wrinkle-free. That crisp, tucked-in look is absolutely essential for luxury feel. Let's move on to the bed skirt or the bed base. Many modern luxury hotels are moving away from traditional dust ruffles now. They're opting for upholstered bed frames or sleek platform beds instead. This creates a more contemporary, streamlined look in the bedroom space. If you have a traditional bed frame, consider an upholstered skirt. Or simply embrace the minimalist approach with a modern platform bed. Lighting is where hotels really shine, quite literally in every room. You'll notice that luxury hotel rooms never rely on overhead lights. They layer their lighting with bedside lamps and wall sconces carefully. They also use floor lamps and sometimes LED strips for ambience. Invest in matching bedside lamps with warm-toned bulbs for comfort. Ideally around 2700 to 3000 Kelvin for glow. Dimmer switches are your best friend because they control the mood. Now let's talk about the nightstands and how to style them. Hotels keep these styled but minimal, never cluttered or too busy. You'll typically see a lamp, an alarm clock or charging station. Perhaps a small tray with a water carafe and drinking glass. And maybe one decorative object like a small plant or book. The key is functionality meets aesthetics in every single styling choice. Everything has a purpose and nothing looks cluttered or out of place. The color palette in luxury hotel rooms is almost always neutral. Think whites, creams, soft grays, taupes, and beiges as your base. Then you can add depth with textures and small color pops. Add color through artwork or throw pillows in complementary accent shades. This neutral foundation creates that calm, serene atmosphere hotels offer guests. It's also incredibly versatile because you can easily change accent colors. Texture is absolutely essential in recreating that true luxury hotel feel. Hotels mix different textures to add visual interest without bold colors. Think a chunky knit throw draped at the end of bed. Add velvet cushions, linen curtains, a plush area rug for warmth. And maybe a faux fur accent for that extra touch of luxury. These varied textures create depth and make the space feel expensive. Window treatments in hotels are always elegant and functional every time. You'll usually see floor-to-ceiling curtains in heavy quality fabric. Layer these with sheer curtains underneath for daytime privacy and light. The curtains should always puddle slightly on the floor or kiss it. Never hang too short as this floor-length treatment elevates everything. Let's not forget about the walls and how hotels decorate them. Hotels typically keep wall decor minimal but impactful in every room. 1 or 2 large-scale pieces of art is the standard. The art is usually abstract or landscape photography in muted tones. Avoid cluttering the walls with too many small frames or busy galleries. Storage and organization are handled discreetly in all hotel rooms everywhere. Everything has its place and nothing is left out and open. Invest in attractive storage solutions like decorative boxes or stylish benches. Keep surfaces as clear as possible to maintain that uncluttered, peaceful vibe. The finishing touches make all the difference in achieving luxury hotel style. Hotels always have fresh flowers or greenery even if it's simple arrangements. They also include small luxury touches like a cozy robe nearby, high-quality hand lotion on the nightstand, or small dish for jewelry. These thoughtful details make the space feel pampered and incredibly special. The beautiful thing about recreating a luxury hotel bedroom is gradual progress. You can do it gradually over time without spending all at once. Start with the bedding, then move on to lighting and finishing touches. Focus on quality over quantity, stick to a cohesive neutral color palette. Remember that less is often more when it comes to true luxury. Thank you so much for watching today's video on hotel bedroom design. I hope these tips inspire you to transform your bedroom into retreat.